Hello, I'm Kate Stichina and you're on InstaForex TV channel. Surely in the second half of the current week, investors are going to be mostly interested in the market sentiment after Christmas holidays. Nevertheless, there are a few statistical reports that should not stay out of sight. So, you are watching a video calendar of a Forex trader on InstaForex TV. The year's consumer sentiment data from Conference Board is due on Thursday. It's going to be the only important report published on that day. Obviously, it will not have any significant impact on the market climate, though it will give a glimpse of a further tendency. Notably, the major part of the year's GDP consists of personal spending, therefore the sentiment should be considered. In the last few months, the Britain reflects quite a high level of consumer confidence in the current state of the American economy and its further development. However, experts anticipate December's estimates to be more pessimistic and the index to decline to its 5-month low 133.00 from 135.7. As previously mentioned, this data is not likely to have notable effect on the greenbacks movement. We expect the euro-dollar pair to jump up once trading platforms opened on Thursday amid the collapse of the US stock market. The economic bulletin from the European Central Bank should also support the euro, as traders anticipate it to have encouraging forecasts after the euro area's authorities acknowledged the need to shift from the quantitative easing program. Friday's positive inflation index from Germany is expected to have not less significant effect. It's going to be preliminary data regarding December's change in consumer prices. The reading is anticipated to rise by 0.3%. On the other hand, the annual inflation rate may decrease to 1.9% from 2.3%. Perhaps this negative forecast will not prove correct, and just a minor slowdown to 2.1% will take place. Besides the mentioned reports, we suggest you to look at the following data, which will be published at the end of this trading year. Information regarding jobless claims and new home sales from the United States is due on Thursday. Friday promises even more of economic news. Japan will share their industrial production and retail sales reports, while the KOF leading indicator from Switzerland and the UK's BBA mortgage approvals index will be out in Europe. The foreign trade balance data from the United States will close the week. There are two more important US reports we advise you to analyze. The crude oil stocks change data from the Energy Information Administration and Baker Hughes oil recount. These indexes may push oil prices even lower. You're watching Forex Trader Calendar on InstaForex TV channel with me, Kate Stichina. We wish you profitable deals.